every video I always say invest, 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 buy stock, buy stock. But how do you actually buy stock? Today I'm gonna give you a tutorial, a quick tutorial on how to buy stock. But before you do that, start a brokerage account. It's free to sign up. Just link your bank card to it. Now, I go through Fidelity. I've been going through them for years. I'm obsessed. Boom. But there's other brokerage account that you can sign up with. So brokerage account is where you buy stocks. You can start your traditional Roth IRA, all that. That is what a brokerage account is. Now, like I said, just other ones you can go through. I go through Fidelity, and I have a Robinhood account. I do not recommend it because there's a lot of legal things going on with them. I believe they're going through a lawsuit right now. So Fidelity, or just do your research on other brokerage account. But now, the good thing about a brokerage account, if you do not feel safe with it, if you still, you don't want to give up too much money, you don't know, you can always take the money out. Only the money that you invest, not the money that you earn dividends from. Only the money you invest you can take out. So that's good, especially if you don't trust it. And like I said, I was a little iffy when I first started, but that's good to know back in your mind that you can always take your money out at any time. All right. Okay, that was a lot. So now we got all that out. I'm gonna show you exactly how to buy stock. So I'm gonna log into my account. I'm gonna show you Fidelity. Just log in. And also I have Fidelity on my phone and also on my laptop, so it's good. And one more thing, it is very addictive. Buying stock is very addictive, but you also can lose money. You can lose money. Okay. So boom, I'm gonna blur out a lot of stuff because of course I don't want all my personal information out. So hold on, let me log in, blah 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 blah. So this is the homepage. Now it is intimidating when you just look at it. There's a lot going on, right? So once you add money into your account, you can do traditional Roth IRA, or you can just do a personal one. We're gonna do traditional Roth IRA. If you don't know a traditional Roth IRA, it is a retirement account. And how the world's going, we need some type of security. You need it just in case we don't know how the future is going. And also, Social Security is running out. That's always in the back of my mind. I know people get tired of me talking about it, but it's always back in my mind. So security is running out. Social Security is running out, so we need to figure something out. Okay. So once you figure out which, let's back up. So once you schedule deposits, you can do weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. I choose monthly. So at the end of the month, after all my bills are paid, that's when I set up the direct deposit. Now let's see, how do we find stocks to invest in? My good rule of thumb is invest in companies that you feel is going to be here within 20 years. You know what I mean? That is my goal. That's what I think about. So these are the ones right here. These are my go-to tickers. And yes, you see Donald Trump on here. I am not a Republican. Yes, I'm a Democrat. If you know me, you know I don't play like that. But I did invest in Donald Trump because you have to ignore all your political views. Like I did. I ignore all my political views. It's about money. It's about money. Let's be real. It's about money. And I don't want to lose anything. You know what I mean? So, of course, I'm going to invest in Donald Trump because he is a businessman. Everyone invested in him already. And also, a lot of people support him. You know what I mean? I know it's bad to say, but let's call a spade a spade. A lot of people voted for this man. They support his ideas. So, of course, I don't want to lose out. So, yes, I invest in Donald Trump stock. I did. Okay. This went black. The lighting is bad, but bear with me. Maybe I should move over. I can move a little bit. I know I'm fighting the light, natural light, and anyway, bear with me. I still have the same message. So, like I said, I invest in Donald Trump because I ignore all my political views, and it's time to really get rich. So of course I invested it into his stock. So the other stocks that I go through, The other stocks that I invest in is Apple, of course, AI. Anything with AI, I invest. I pay a little bit. Now, I don't pay a lot of money into the stocks, especially the new ones. I'll probably just pay about 25 to 50 depending on, it depends on my mood basically. Also, Costco, I invest in the SPF 500. So basically, instead of just picking random tickers, that is a ticker, that is the name of the, that is the stock name. So for instance, Apple's ticker is AAPL. That's the ticker for Apple. So you can just go on Google and type in any company and then type in their ticker. That's how you get the ticker name. And then we go to Fidelity or any brokerage. You type in that ticker in the search, and then that's how you buy into stocks. Now you can buy a piece of the share, or I'm sorry, you can pick a piece of the share, right? And I always pick a fixed number. So for instance, I just pick, like I said, I just pick around $50, and that's how I buy into stock, and I do it monthly. Now if I get any extra money, I'll probably invest even more. And then boom, you set it up. You can do it bi-weekly, weekly, or monthly, like I said. So that is how to buy a stock. Very simple, straight to the point. And like I said, let's start investing.